Welcome to Moscow, Russia. I'm in the largest country in the world, containing about 1/8 of the globe's total land. The country is 17 million square miles with a population of 146.5 million people with 11 time zones and 85 regions. That's a massive amount of space. If you want a really great view of Moscow, make sure to come to the building called Kids World. It's like a toy store for children. And come up to the sun deck, the roof deck. It's free and you get a wonderful, beautiful view of the whole entire city. I'm in Red Square, which is in the heart of Moscow, and behind me is St. Basil's Cathedral. Now it's actually 9 churches in one, and in the 17th century it was originally painted red and white. And here's a fun little fact, there's actually a bank in the basement because that was considered one of the safest places to store your valuables. It was almost destroyed many times between Napoleon and the communists, but has miraculously survived until today. Now, probably one of the most visited sites in this square is this mausoleum behind me. That's where Vladimir Lenin's body is embalmed since his death. And many people queue up for hours and hours just to go inside and take a look, but you cannot take any photos or videos. And another little tidbit, that yellow building just above it, that's where President Putin actually works.
Hi guys, so we are here at the mall, at the Red Square, and it's very famous for its ice cream because it's from the Soviet Union. This is the style that they used to have all the time. It's delicious.
Hey everybody, so the Moscow metro system is huge. It's really difficult to navigate and kind of understand where you're going, but there's a convenient app. It's called Yandex Metro. I'm going to show it to you right now. It'll help you in your travels. So I just had one of the most amazing experiences in my life. I just went to a Russian bathhouse. The place is called Suntani Banya, or Banya Suntani. It's really well known. Everybody, I think it's one of the oldest and kind of most popular ones. I have to admit, I didn't see any other tourists in there. Well, there may be maybe one guy that I kind of thought may have been from somewhere else. Mostly it was like a lot of Russians in there, but it was really cool. I even got the part where I paid a little extra for them to kind of hit you with the leaves, those special leaves that have the aroma scent, and man, they hit you hard with those things. And do you really feel the heat? I felt the worst on my feet. They were burning up. But the whole experience was great. Definitely recommend if you can make it. Your Uber driver or your taxi driver will definitely know where it's at. Hey everybody, so we are trying some traditional Russian food, actually mixed a little bit Russian-Ukrainian. We have some Ukrainian borscht, which is beet, potato, and some other vegetables that I can't remember, cabbage. We have salad olivier, which is Russian style. It's got potatoes, green beans, and ham, and maybe something else like carrots. And then over here we have pelmeni, which I think are veal and pork mix, with some sour cream, some onions, some garlic, some puffy bread. And this is pork fat called sal. So let's enjoy the meal.
Я же говорила, ее тут берут. Це моментально.